नमस्कार या सभाएं हेडमास्टर वन खास कर नोन हेडमास्टर तम सुन आदेश कि ये सभा इशू हमेशा पे कत कर लिहाजा कर शुरुआत से मुमकिन इलेक्शन कत सपदान रोजान हिंदी ते अंग्रेजी पंच ते सोरे पकड़ माफी 36 years back क्या सपदो मज 1999 मज तमिक साक्षी we all know this आप पे बात करें गो वक्त फिलहाल इस्तेमाल करो जान कहें पता कि आप फोर्स एक्सोडस करो where we all, the natives of that place, Kashmir, Hindi, indigenous group, we were uprooted and forced to stay at distant places. In sudden we namak aao, even cousin was basore se he kaise gao. I saw that it struggle upstage. It had a sign, community. Struggle is starting, survival is struggle issue. कैसे के साथ आप रूट को कुछ है सुपना ने रोज़ जाए ने स्टूडेंट एजुकेशनर्स आज स्ट्रगल करते करो ने इसका थे ठीक है वी ऑल गो इट वी आर पार्ट ऑफ दैट स्ट्रगल ये बार-बार दोहराव है ज़्यादा जरूरी कि प्रत्यक्ष पता है एवरीबॉडी नोज ऑल दीस चैप्टर्स और इतना निवासन की बेसिक चीज़ पर इतना थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे पैसे विचार करो सुचुज चीज़ कि यह क्षेत्र में स्ट्रगल मज ऐसे अप्रूव गसन पात ऐसे क्या पो इज देयर एनीथिंग व्हाट वी हैव अचीव्ड नंबर ऑफ इज देयर एनीथिंग व्हिच वी शुड हैव अचीव्ड टू यूजनेस फॉर एवरीथिंग अगर सो स्टेज टू द एस्केटर्स के करनी वर्ल्ड ऑफ द एक्शन पॉजिटिव सर इस क्षेत्र में सफर प्रत्येक जगह पानी महाभारत पानी रामायण वनवास ये वनवास आओ साधारण विजन के लोग में आनंद क्षेत्र में ये चलपता कोटा श्री वनवास जो मगर सारे को बहुत चीज यूं कि ऐसे सारे को अडॉप्ट कर सकते टू नंबर ऑफ एक्सट्रीम क्लाइमेट या where we were flown this is moderate Atlantic frozen आपको ऐसे बर्दाश्त दो चीज सही है जैसे रिपोर्ट गालों सारी टेंटर मजबूत हो जाए ऐसे कुछ भी एक्सेप्ट स्टेट इंडियंस ऐसे वो याद चले कि ऐसे कुछ वाला से इसका धरोहर से इसका रिलीजन से कल्चर से सिर्फ दो ऐसे रात ही यूनिवर्सिटी में असली प्रोग्राम आना देखा था प्रोफेसर बोल कि भी दर हालांकि पैटर्न से सही मान रहे मगर ऐसे बातों के आपको कि ऐसे भरोसा है पर इस बात से हम कर रही थी कैंटो वो सच वो चोरा में अपने रोज में जाए कि मगर ऐसे बनोते थे उस किचन थे ऐसे बनोते थे उस बेडरूम थे ऐसे बनोते थे शिविर के खतरे स्टडी रूम मगर सिटी बनोते थे स्कूल में तो अंदर ये जो बात सराहनीय का कि हमें मंदरुक प्रचलन इसको ऐसे मजबूत कि इस ट्राउमा की चीज मंदर तो इस पाना स्थित ये सोरा सब स्ट्रंग बने तो ये मोस्ट ऐसे core strength person but in this community so education normally cheap in certain youth musibat hi education what do we do ask magar ऐसे pro financial education chalo and but the issue अगर इस पर निस्पान self pattern करो सच में काम किए right in the year 1990 ये साधन पथली उस विश्वविद्यालय कर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ पुणे खोल दरवाजा साइन बहुत सारे लोगों को शायद पता भी नहीं होगा कि हम तस्वीर बस बेसिकली स्ट्रगल्स ऐसे टेंटर में कमल फैन हो मगर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ पुणे खास कर तक वाइस चांसलर डॉक्टर श्रीधर बोलते तक डी डॉक्टर पराग तक सैनिक नंबर्स अनंतराव होपचे एंड ए कपल ऑफ अदर्स given issue मसला था ये वो भी अडॉप्ट हो कर सकते हैं पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी सत्र इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज and they decided in their select meeting शुरुआत में सत्र बच्चों में बच्चों के दुनिया के डिफरेंट ग्लोबल डिफरेंट जाएंगे तो इमेजिन कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन पुणे PICT MIT even colleges do admission lectures it's a great whole one मतलब चूंकि बचत रहो ये रिजल्ट्स again yes in सूरत into education में बनने शुरू करते चलो क्या फैक्टर आ इधर इस पर very important so चूंकि ऐसो नेशनलिज्म बरकरार है चाहे स्टेट फेल्ड भी चाहे पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम फेल्ड भी चाहे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फेल्ड भी trustworthy arms of the Samaj, they failed me as a Kashmiri Pandit. But me as a Kashmiri Pandit, by conviction, मैं throw me nationalism. बुरुस हमेशा मुकस मैं कुल react कि तुम्हारी वापस बंदूक तो कराने आतंकवादी बपने कर नबर को मरे I did not do that. I chose the path of nationalism. but पन्ने में ये core thrust from this class. पन्ने failures सब हम चालू. Students education सब हम चालू. And then you should try to put Borges in nationalism Babylon into the parts of the church. I look at the truth, man is other. We all must pat ourselves. Is हम खड़े उतरे इस इम्तिहान में उस कोर इम्तिहान है चलान चु लेकिन ये वेरिएट विंच संपदा ये इम्तिहान विच स्कॉलरशिप इस सक्सेसफुल इम्तिहान मैं इस पेश है इस चो यस क्या पूर्ण विचि After various issues, but there is large issues for some काम की कैसे noon first priority in SPIC as as a domain experts for this talk. Human is all mobile in a state of this kind of human season prepared. But that was the season for Mishar. It's also last century was the century. Most of us, the 15th century was now in my director, he means present. It's not two reference dates or years 1931, 1947, 1986, and 1990. Usually, short thing dates and years becomes questions but as collectively suffered too much power. Up 1931, we have read, some people may be witness to that also. We can just get that 95 years have passed. Certainly, she was 79 years old. Day attack. She was such a very prone day attack. The number of shake her very clear. On top of the after months, the participants Jackson Pandits were killed, Dogra laws. Have we as a community been able to bring those perpetrators to justice? As even Namtan variant as a community, we can afford to do it. Peter's Grace Kalyam, each of Saval. For me, Pechwasa, I think we could not get justice for those who were killed or bring them to justice. Which may not happen. We teach in observation in 1947 we know that he was available in the Pakistani army as the more tragedies, Haskar North Kashmir. But in isolation, also the program came. You are not doing it in isolation. The one is Adhava, the one is Saranda, the one is Rast House, Arki House, Kuya House, the international particular. आप किसी भी नॉर्थ कश्मीर के एल्डर्स की बात करो, आप उन लोगों की वो कहानियां सुनिए आज के डेट में काम उठ गई कि how they have been able to protect the respect of girls and all. क्या तब से तो उसमें बात सोन मुल्क आजाद इंडिपेंडेंस पे आए सिर्फ आजाद मुल्क क्या we as a collective conscience Kashmiri Pandits ऐसे ही क्या तिमन victim justice दे क्या तिम perpetrators तिमन उन्हें सदा देने को पड़ी नतीजे से बात करना I think most of us will agree no we have not been able to do it शेषी बात हालांकि शेषी तो tension confined to ना South Kashmir South Kashmir was to make this issue. This is the four districts: Nagaland, Pulwama, Kulgam, and Shopian. All of this happened. So, February 1986, Shibuchan is the majority of the populous villages. Is the Mandar to the desperation. So, in Bhagavati, Bhagwana is cut out. We know it. Tamsatan to go trigger some exodus. Popular government was. They were our community people were supporting for that government. have we been able to do any justice to that? No. Now, much was happening, yes, by the demand asked none of the demands, political demands, legal demands, genuine demands, genocide, Karate, आज के डेट में शायद we have not been able to do that also. Actually, निराश बसूं चुके हैं, मतलब इस जगह में आपकी साइंस struggles बचा बची कैसे ना आसके, so that we are able to bring justice and bring these people to justice. Imagination, that is, we would urge people to look at their repeat. The Constitution has failed us. It's a hesitation in one. It has massive constitutional rights here. I am a resident indigenous, local, native resident of Kashmir. Where am I? Why am I here? It's a broader question. Maybe it is not an intellectual question, but it is arm in some sort of sawalat. We get it. In Constitution, it is supposed to protect. Numbers, political system, and the person failed. It failed. And come to the action. Yes. It's pronounced yet community, it was a majority community. It's a total sanction. They don't care for different reasons, very reasons, that are here. One, even season participation, one other is Kashmir community, just 5 minutes more. Kashmir community, as Avilo Gupta, we have done some up project towards population, shrinking of population per our project. I think should yes, fund data available data. 1990 in Southern Shuru West, this is their standard. Out of those people who actually migrated to this place, 30% people have passed it. 30%. It's not a less percent. Achha, even 30% sadly nothing was and we have not been able to be as a son, somebody as a brother, somebody as a father has not been able to take those people back to that place. My mother wanted to die at my place. So the mother was created that I could not do anything about that. She passes here in the hostile. Even sadly, collectively, we have a ring, all of us, we can as living numbers. We have a ring of those people. It's going to chubaru yaparu tankaru market. He can ask this collective investment. Which is their problem. Ki agar 3% that's the 18% only births. Go there is a shrinking of around 12% in our population in these 36 years. We should use accurate mathematical model here, but it may be near, maybe 11.5% because so many factors have not been factored into this. ये जो आप साइंस हमारे तरफ वापस नस्ल सिलसिल ब्याह विषय या कर ऐसे सोचूं पैसे क्या अगर इसी तरह के श्रृंग रोज़ का सब there will be a time anybody in Kashmir for migration he will not be visible anywhere the return as they think government is कैसे मसल पहले से पहले चाहते हैं बटे कानून पर कुछ return government की problem है ना that देखिए Premchand Maharaj asked Siddhartha, which are physical knowledge, and tried to make a case for those people who speak here, maybe given issue for cutting current. I should say, there are good number of people working from that. Also, towards the generation, my parents' generation and my grandfather's generations. Gives the generation, they will show my son. Into towards generation, invisible. Most of us know it about it. Yes, sir, my grandfather's generation was, they would marry at the age of 20. 19 भी करते थे, 30 भी करते थे. This was the age of marriage. Okay? And by the age, even if I'm 28, versus father, even a complete family has 5 to 6 children. 7 children. Which was ज़्यादा दूर के, सिर्फ शेर 5 बड़ी पहुंचते थे. Just अपनी family में सब सोच के देख लो, यही है situation. 5-6 children, married at 12, 28 साल के age में, 29 साल के age में family complete है. But you always tell father, we go back, she shared with the आसपास ऐसे बात. Take your father's family. वो जो 20 साल, 28 साल, 6 बच्चे, 7 बच्चे. जब साथ silent parent generation आए, they started marrying at 22, 23. Family के complete the race should create maximum 2 or 3, 4. Each is a generation. And also, there can be some exceptions, but majority is. Then it comes to our generation. We started marrying at the age of 26, 27, 28, our generation. I spent complete family at the age of 35, that's the Sassan Zubachi, Zatpujal Therapy, maximum Zubachi averages was. Very intense family. Now you come to the younger generation, yes, educational generation, so improvisation. When do they marry? They marry at the age of 32, 33, 34, that also Manak Mandri Kaka, and then shoot budget. Then they think 40 साल 45 साल में आज के डेट में आज की बच्चों की फैमिली कंप्लीट होती है, वो भी एक बच्चा या ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 बच्चे या 2 बच्चे. So within the period of these 80 years, 90 years, 3 factors are affecting our population. Marriage age, late marriages, come budget, and then these problems. Each समाज में आठ बड़ा issue जिस तरह की जाती है उसकी कॉल रही है. And that issue छोटा मैं टच करूँगा कि शिक्षण संस्कार. पहले शिक्षण संस्कार की मैं किसी बच्चे को दोष नहीं देता हूँ. We as parents fail in transferring the culture in Samaj Sanskar to our children. Chicken issues, as we can brought in, I will not take much time. I will pass on the stage for the next program. I will try to give you some data about that. Some of like-minded around 150 people every month of their own pocket willingly contribute to Karachi, and we have been able to generate a resource of more than 35 lakhs by local connections. These soaring constituency with deserving families, खासकर education खातर शुरू. इसकी latest month we have adopted 147 families. Women have shared budgets adopted their at a different and the beauty about this sanstha is that this is never advertised. This family do kota do that family which are ye bata ki bajti back and discuss support karne ki koshish kar. We try to participate as a family because button ko chane zindagi mein kuch mujh sakhe. There is also ye feeling that unke paas issues dependent on some aid and outside. It's as much as we lay out the data which I would like to share. Apparently, excursion button weekend ki status ko basan ki essential bajar hui. But before men and gone, 15 to 20% of our families are in acute distress. They don't have money to educate their children. Why हम घर में जो शाम में खाने निकलना? It's a collective duty of all of us to see years. You segment of our samaj. In policy, we can support the parents who want financial support. But I think make him to catch the fish. Means he should make the resourceful people, Bahan Samajas, Bahan Jaimas, Gurumkar Velu. Timan fathers ki which identify Timan employment salary. Again, we tried some methods ki as a support to come to our school. But telling you honestly, so experiment होने ज़्यादा successful किए, except for the education of their children. मैं जो हमारे मंच पे आज की जो अतिथि है महानुभाव है, उनको मौका देता हूँ. उन्हीं के लिए आज का दिन है. हमारा ये बाई द वे बीच में बात करना आता है, तो इंटरसेक्शन बोलते हैं. बात सुनने का कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, बट जब दिल से बात निकलती है तो आंखों में आंसू आते हैं. Which we can start stages with. It is exactly हर एक का दिल होता है, हर दिल होता है, हर शरीर होता है. मगर अपने से रेजोनेंस शेयर करके कराओ, शांत करके कराओ, लोग जो पलवस कर पड़ा सकता है. So just exterior, but interior is huge zahir sound, huge comes over. Telling you honestly, as you now John your moment as well. As we have to go back to our roots, we have to go back to our places with pride, with dignity. Thank you.